I'm Simon, creator of Gecko Hub and Nimble, and I'm back on Kickstarter to get mobu into the hands of everyone frustrated by troublesome cables. I've tried many ways of organising earphones and charge cables over the years, and I've never found the one solution that solved everything. Mobu is that solution. The way mobu works is simple. You clip it around any cable size, from skinny earphones all the way up to thick USB cables. Once in place, mobu's modular design snaps together, keeping your cables organised. Mobu is based on a mathematical theory that cables with ends attached together in a loop are far less likely to tangle than cables with loose ends. Mobu is great for out and about, wherever you are. But it doesn't stop there either. With Mobu Connect, you can put mobu to work at your desk or around the house too. And you know what? Mobu works with other stuff as well. We're coming to Kickstarter because we've got mobu as far as we can on our own. Now we need your help in taking the last steps, finalising tooling with the factory and meeting the factory's high minimum order quantities. If you like mobu, there are two ways you can really help support our campaign. First, pledge to get mobu for yourself or as a gift. And second, share this campaign with a close friend who you know would love this handy clip.